Spicy. Hey, Spicy.
You can't be.
We walking through here like, yo, oh, yo, who is this coming through? You get the double skibbity paps.
我就想问你个事儿，你是怎么坦然
Go. Eating time, guys. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's see what I can say. Come on.
Double mom hug.
You could do it if you tried.
That is the best.
What the fuck? What? Are you comfortable?
Does he want out, I wonder?
Well, there's a heating pad under it, so I guess he's warm.
Oh, that's what he's doing. Could that be what you heard last night? Wait, but isn't it like better that he sleeps in there instead of in the litter box?
What the fuck are you doing? Oh, now you want to get out. Nope.
Do we know his lineage at all?
Stupidity.
I know.
Oh.
Lý ra我嘛，来。
What do you think? It's a... Well, how the hell did you get the beans above the frying? I mean, I don't know. It wasn't like it was a well thought out plan.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a plan.
One, you can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
Hey guys, welcome to back to my channel. So this is the wire which I was talking about, the data cable which I showed you yesterday. This is the C-link data cable type, and it's really damn useful that I don't even need anything else to make it. And yeah, each and everything is just so perfect that you can't even believe that this kind and sort of thing I made. And the wire and the cable is flexible, adjustable. I love to use it. And yeah, sometimes I use two of them at the same time because I have got to. First I thought the cable which I was using previously had broken, or some kind of water drives into it, but it doesn't happen like that. It was just my false idea. Okay guys, thank you.